have a question.
Okay.
Where we're going? Oh, good. So, I have a question.
Okay.
Do you want to explain where we're going?
I don't know. We're in Stratford, that's all I know.
Oh, my next question was, do you want to explain what's going on? But we're in Stratford,
Yeah.
and you don't know what's going on.
No.
Cool.
Not really.
End of questioning.
I'm worried.
Why are you worried?
What if I die?
I don't think you'll die. You won't die or get seriously injured, so that's a plus.
Seriously injured?
You won't get seriously injured.
Minorly injured?
Possibly.
Okay. What should we do today?
I'm not telling you. I'll tell them though.
You already told me.
Yeah. Focus,
Oh, I see.
focus. We're going there, but don't tell them though.
Quick, rewind the tape. Rewind the tape.
No, you're not.
Them all walking blue, but this morning man, I feel walking blue. Now some people tell me that them old worried blues ain't bad. The worst don't feeling, baby, I'm
The face of concentration. Where are we going, Charlie?
I don't know yet. Hang on.
What do you mean you planned this whole day and you know where we're going?
No, I do.
Oh, okay. Is this where we're going? Yeah, let's go.
Do you want to see something different?
Come on.
It's there.
Oh yeah. Very clever. Can we go in?
Yeah.
That's quite cute.
It's cute.
What are we doing, Charlie?
What are we doing or what am I doing?
What are you doing?
I'm rowing a boat. What are you doing?
Shitting myself.
Why?
Because I'm not a big fan of being on the water.
But you got in.
I did get in, because you wanted me to.
No, I did say that you
Well,
didn't have to.
We're doing it.
I mean, I thought it'd be romantic, but I'm a little bit scared I'm going to get vomited on,
No, I can control that.
to be honest. Oh. I mean, it's pretty though.
It is nice. Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm amazed that you've trusted me to row you in a boat, to be honest.
I'm ready. No, well, maybe not that I've trusted you to row me on a boat. It's that I'm on a boat.
Right.
It's not, you know, a ferry. I can deal with a ferry.
But there's a helpline there if we get stuck.
Yeah. Let's just hope I don't fall in, because then my phone can't.
Fall in. We're fine. Everything's great. I've just never rowed a boat before.
Nope, not me.
I think I might get a bit boat sick.
Really?
A bit.
Do you want to turn back?
No.
Okay. You're going to have to duck in a second, because there's a load of weeping willow.
Duck? Where?
Ooh. Just use the fingers back in.
You're right.
No.
Why?
Took in a boat.
But when you start dating a person, it might be good to let them know that you have a fear of boats.
Not a fear
and
of
then
boats,
they'd never
a fear
take
of
you.
drowning.
And then they'd never take you on a boat trip, okay? That's something that you tell a person.
Is it? I mean,
So, what have we learnt today?
don't take Mike on a boat.
And
Pass.
that you're planning the next one.
Oh, I am planning the next one.
Good.